Samsung Galaxy S21 gets November 2024 security update in USA. Samsung has released the November 2024 security update for the Galaxy S21 series in the USA. This update makes the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra more secure by fixing known software vulnerabilities. The update is currently available for factory unlocked devices, while carrier-locked and global variants will follow soon. The new software comes with firmware version G99X U1UESEG-XJ4. It addresses security loopholes found in previous versions, enhancing the protection of your device. If you own an unlocked Galaxy S21 in the USA, you can download the update right away. To check for it, go to Settings and go to Software Update and click on Download and Install on your phone. If you prefer manually installing the update, Samsung provides the firmware file for download. To use this, use the Odin tool on a Windows PC and flash the update yourself. However, this process requires expertise in firmware flashing to avoid any issues. For using carrier-locked Galaxy S21 devices or global versions, the update isn't available yet but could roll out soon. Keep checking your device's settings or Samsung's official announcements for updates. Samsung consistently improves the Galaxy S21's security features to keep user data safe. Ensuring your phone is up to date not only enhances security but also improves overall performance.